Baseline locked, start grid.
Core at 5 meters. Okay. 10 degree tip level, open acres. Clear to swing.
Compaction pass complete. Hold up there, it's all right.
Pier 2 aligned.
Depth check now. Forcing a left-hand frog in your head as you control space once of this type.
Panel locked. Water level dropping. Drive to refusal. Lowering.
Spacing verified.
Forms plumb.
Back on the police.
Maintain rate.
Edge is done.
Lift ready.
Surface okay. Bearing set. Segment 1 on site. Coating even. Joint closed. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tension reached. Camber, okay. Ready, next cycle. Stage it here. Tom? Hold up. Clear ground.
Left 2 meters.
Face prepped. Hold! Hold!
Joint tight.
Clamp set. Strand through.
Target reached.
Line within spec.
Advance half span. Phrasing now.
Center it.
Down 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Snug complete. Missed.
Next duct.
Hold pressure. Nelly, Zurich, C1 Q with Lake Shore with Rastus RCM Scan Green Ship. Profile correct.
Lights live.
Continue sequence.
Unload next. Steady up. Ready.
Geometry holds.
Advanced set. I'm sending up.
Surface clean. Pins locked.
Swing clear.
Even coat.
Down 5.
Joint closed. Joint closed. Bars snug.
Strad through.
At target. Within limits.
Advance complete.
Coverage set.
Midspan soon.
Config set.
Up steady. Prep done.
Lower slow.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Locked. Next duck.
Balanced. Symmetric.
Position set.
No issues.
Progress to this point.
Closure ready.
Closure today.
Early term encounter schematic go XR for clear ground.
Yeah, yes, agree with that directly.
Up steady.
Both faces coated.
Center gap.
looks like it's 77, looks like that's off corner maintenance.
Down 2. Down to that bridge. Contact full.
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bars tight. Confront. Continuous run. Readout at 20,000 PSI.
Final force reached.
Anchors sealed.
Gantry free. Clear span.
Outflowing. Vent full. Vent. Surface ready. Coverage complete.
Barrier set. I guess looks like right.
Slope correct.
Fixture mounted.
Punch. Check. Clean pass done. Maintain line. Secure ongoing. All checks pass.
Minor items only. Touch up done.
Site clear.
Where I clay sand over there.
All right, that dispatch line. We know to know we're drowned is in Trace, yeah.
The audio is characterized by a quiet construction site atmosphere. The primary sounds are the rustling and shuffling of paper.
Temp works off.
Looks good. Project complete.
Subscribe, like, and share.